Deals with the rock art in Kirthar Range, Sindh, Pakistan. Rock art can be observed from Kambar Shadad Kot, Dadu to Jamshoro districts of Sindh. Dadu district is more abundant in rock art. Three main reasons can be counted regarding richness of rock art in Kirthar Range. First, ancient settlements. Second, large quantity of waters. Third, ancient trade routes leading to Western countries in past and now up to Balochistan. The depictions of animals, religious structures, and inscriptions are main objects of rock art. Buddhist shrines and stupas, Zoroastrian's fire temple-like structures, footprints, footmarks, and symbols of unique lingam are inscribed. Mostly animals are engraved with early scripts. According to my analysis and observation, it is believed that this rock art had been engraved from Bronze Age to Buddhist period and from Buddhist period to medieval period.